ever watched a crow and wondered, what are they up to? Today, let's dive into the world of crows. These black-feathered geniuses might surprise you. Crows are amazing problem solvers. They use tools like sticks to dig out insects and even create hooks from twigs to snag food. That's innovation, not just instinct. Crows live in tight-knit families, sharing food and looking out for danger. Their communities show social intelligence in action. Is she? Communication. Crows are masters. They use various calls and gestures, each with a meaning. Some warn of danger, others invite friends to feast. It's a complex language we're only beginning to understand. Crows also feature in our stories and beliefs. In some cultures, they're messengers. In others, symbols of wisdom. They fascinate us, mirroring our own intelligence. The same. What do these clever birds teach us? Perhaps it's time to rethink animal intelligence. Crows challenge the idea of being bird-brained. They remind us to look deeper, listen closer. If you found this glimpse into the world of crows intriguing, consider subscribing. There's always more to discover in nature's wonders.